Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron using a steam iron. First, let's prepare. Gather your steam iron, an ironing board, and a spray bottle if you need extra moisture. Always check your garment's care label to know the fabric type and the recommended ironing temperature. Finally, fill your iron's water reservoir with distilled water to prevent mineral buildup and ensure smooth steaming. Next, let's set up your tools. Plug in your steam iron and choose the appropriate heat setting based on your fabric type. Give the iron a few minutes, perhaps 3 to 5 minutes, to heat up fully and generate consistent steam. Remember to adjust your ironing board to a comfortable height. This small step can make a big difference in preventing back strain during your ironing session. Now for the actual ironing. Start with the larger, flat areas of your garment, such as sleeves or pant legs, working your way to smaller details. Use long, even strokes, keeping the iron moving constantly to prevent any scorching. You can press the steam button as needed for those stubborn wrinkles, but be careful not to overwet the fabric, which could leave watermarks. Finally, let's talk about finishing up. Once ironed, immediately hang or fold your garments to keep them wrinkle-free. After you're done, unplug the iron and let it cool down completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes before emptying any leftover water. Store your iron and board in a safe, dry place, ready for your next easy ironing session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.